Hello, my name is Jeffrey Sugiyama and I'm partnering with Aaron Olson, who is editing this video to help educate people on the Furnace Heater Simulator lab. So the first thing you want to do is go into D2L. Underneath Experimental Methods, you should find a Labs module with a opening pop-up. The pop-up will give you an Excel file with a URL link, email address, password, instructions, and the different teams that you'll be assigned to. After that, you want to click on the URL link, which will open the Furnace Simulator. On the left side of this window, you'll have the input. In the center, you'll have output, and on the far right, different values for drafts at different points in the furnace. So what we want to do now is make sure that everything's correct. Also, some of your results may not actually come out correct. Some may actually be undefined. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure you label that in the comments and explain why it didn't work. So the first thing we want to do is just make sure that the input data is correct on the first example, and then we'll go on from there. So CH4 is given as 100%, which we have it set. Constant HR, combined air temperature is at 59, and relative humidity is at 0. The next thing that's important are the target values. Target excess O2 is right here. Oxygen O2 at stack at 3.14. Target draft is the second from the bottom and fourth from the top in the far right picture, and its value is at negative 0.057. What we want to do is get those as close as possible to the values explained by changing the burner and furnace dampers, which are in the instructions. After you get those as close as possible to the target values explained in the Excel file, you want to input this onto the output side of the Excel file. So the burner damper and furnace damper are the ones that you found as close as possible to your target values. The actual excess and draft that you found, which is the 3.14 and the negative 0.057, the NOx value, which is highlighted here, and the flame temperature, which is right here. And once again, you want to make sure you put any comments, such as if this would be used in one case, a special case, or in multiple cases. The next thing you want to do is check for any values that change considerably. So for the combined air temperature, you have 59 all the way up to 1000 and 0 to 100 in the relative humidity. And what you want to do is make a plot and compare that to whether it's NOx or burner damper or furnace damper. Thank you.